He's over there.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
You, hon.
Yeah. Duke will knock you over if you get near him. Yeah, do you want him to knock you over? No, I don't think
I
so.
still haven't found the dog.
He's on right there.
Here, you.
Where? Oh, there he is. Okay. Now I found him.
Hey,
Can't you watch me climb the tree?
Yeah, I will in a minute.
right here.
I'm climbing the tree right now.
Here, you.
Hey, I'm up here. I'm gonna jump down now.
There you.
Where's Yoke?
Right here. Where are you? Come here. There. There.
Oh, I see him now.
Can you watch me climb the tree now? Watch me climb this tree.
Honey, I'm trying to find the dog.
He's right there.
Well, it's difficult to find him in here.
Let me see. I can't even see.
That's my car.
Grandma, can't you watch me climb the tree now?
Yes, I will in a minute.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48,
Tired already?
49,
You tired already?
Yeah, he's
50,
exhausted.
51, 52, 53,
Okay, that's
54,
enough.
55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay,
That's enough.
now you gotta watch me climb the tree.
Turn around here.
So, okay, I'm gonna climb up the tree, okay? Watch again. Maybe you can keep up with me.
There was, they, well, now they built
Is
an
this set
air
closer?
station.
Everything is right on the
Okay,
Yeah.
we're
I
going
didn't
to
do
work
anything
on
to it. It was
59
just-
Road. We have
Oh,
towards
you can move
Pontiac. One,
Give me
two
my
traffic
third
lights.
Just a minute.
Yeah,
Huh?
two
There
traffic
isn't
lights.
any. You
not that
finished
far
it.
from where you
Oh, I
were
did not.
Well, you did. It's all gone.
No,
in Hoboken.
no, we're not 10
Oh.
minutes.
And what's the town that you're in? Or
Davisburg.
that's
Hope you got some
Davisburg?
pictures.
Over there?
Yeah.
I don't.
We're actually in
close, I
White
think.
Lake, but it's a Davisburg mailing address.
Oh, okay.
But it's
Give me
actually
that.
White
Give me
Lake.
that tape quick. I want to see what
The
it's
other
like.
side, Davisburg was Dixon Anderson Road, wasn't
Well, it started there. Davisburg was where the candle factory was.
it? Yeah, because Anna Paul lived right down there.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah,
You got a
I mean,
light
right
blinking
by the
here.
church.
Well, it's still running.
I turned it off.
And then you know where some friend of your mother's live there on Duck Lake Road?
It doesn't go off.
Who lives on Duck Lake Road that you know?
Oh, Sherry.
Oh, okay.
We're about
that wasn't
5
far.
minutes from her house.
Okay.
Mm, yeah.
If this is going around, what's the
Why?
matter?
Why doesn't it go
Not
off?
turn on off.
I know it.
The drive just
Yeah.
Yeah, what a treat.